Hey, Tenny!
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chickens. E-I-E-I-O. With a buck here and a buck there. Here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a Tenny. E-I-E-I-O. With a hiya here and a hiya there. Here a hi, there a hi, everywhere a hiya. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Hey, Tenny!
Question.
What does a farmer do?
Hiya, it's your friend Tenny. And that's a great question. What do farmers do? Today we are at Underwood Family Farms to find out. Wait a second. Did you hear that? Let's check it out. Come on. Wowza! I see baby goats. Why, hello there, baby goat. Wow, you are so cute. I wonder if I can pick this one up. And we go. Wow. Ooh, let's be goats too. Bah, bah, bah. That was some great noise making, everyone. Wow, look at its pointy ears. I bet it can hear really well. And look at its horns. I count 1 horn and 2 horns. Ooh, and cool feet. If you look down there, you can see that this goat has hooves. A lot of animals have hooves, like horses and pigs. Ooh, I wonder if you're hungry. Let's go make them some lunch. All right, goats, it is a lunchtime. I got some grass for you and some hay for you. Wow, it looks like they're really enjoying it. Well, I'm glad you all are enjoying your lunch. It's a chicken coop! And I see a bunch of tiny little doors. I wonder if a tiny farmer lives inside with a tiny little hat. Let's count them together. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So many tiny little doors. Should we knock?
No need to knock. We don't want to disturb the chickens. Oh, hi there. I'm Farmer McKenna.
Hiya, Farmer McKenna. Hiya, chicken. I'm Tenny. Do you think I could hold your chicken?
Of course you can.
Thank you. Wow, you are so soft. And really pretty feathers, too. I see white feathers and gray feathers. And look at your beak. It's black. A beak is a chicken mouth. Whoa, Farmer McKenna, what are the red things on its face?
Right on the top of her head, that's called her comb, and right down here are called her wattles.
Wow, her comb and her wattles. They're so red and so pretty too. Thanks so much for letting me hold her.
Of course.
Ooh! Question, what do farmers do?
Well, us farmers have plenty of jobs. We take care of the animals, we plant and pick fresh fruits and vegetables, but today we're gonna collect all the eggs the chickens left for us.
Eggs? Do you think we can play a guessing game?
Of course we can.
Come on, let's go. All right, first door we have 2 chickens, but I don't see any eggs. Ready for the next one? And I see 1 egg. Let's go get it. Oh, look, it's a tiny egg. Next door. There's a really big chicken in here, but no eggs either. There are so many eggs in here. I count 7 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I wonder how many are in this one. Wait a second. These aren't eggs. These are yellow overalls. And this tag says, Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald? Did I just say Old MacDonald? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a buck here and a buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. Wowza! That was E-I-E-I-O awesome! Wait a second. Is that, check it out. That's right. This is a tractor. And it's green. And look, these wheels are tiny. And they're yellow on the inside and black on the outside. But whoa! These wheels are huge! And they are also yellow on the inside and black on the outside. And look! It's Farmer McKenna!
Hi.
What are you doing here, Farmer McKenna?
I drive the tractors too.
You drive the tractors too? She does everything! Do you think you could tell us a little bit about this tractor?
I would love to. What do you want to know?
Let's see. First, what does this button do?
That one, when you pull it out, makes the tractor start.
Wow, and what about this button over here?
That one helps it to start on a really cold morning.
And what do these circle things do?
This one makes sure our engine is running perfectly how we want it. This one makes sure our battery is charged. And this one tells us how fast we're going and how long we've been going.
Whoa, and let me guess, this makes us go really fast.
That's right, that can make us go really fast.
Yes! I don't know how I knew that. I just guessed. Ooh, and what does this lever over here do?
Now this one controls the speed. We can either go really fast or really slow.
And this must be the steering wheel.
You got it. That's what helps us steer.
Ooh, Farmer McKenna, do you think we could go for a ride?
Absolutely. Hop on.
Did you hear that? She said we get to ride the tractor. Come on. And I'm going to pick a seat right over here. Ready and hop. Wow, look at all these pretty flowers. Wow, these are sunflowers, which means we must be at a sunflower field. Wow, they are so tall and so pretty. They're called sunflowers because they face the sun. Whoa, look at this one. It's as big as my head. Well, almost. Oh, I have an idea. Let's make a bouquet together. Wow! These are called poppies, and they come in so many different colors, like red, ooh, white, and pink. Let's add these to our bouquet. One poppy, two poppies, and three poppies. And they are so pretty. Let's add them to our bouquet. And ta-da! A bouquet! Great job helping me pick those out. Wait, but before we go, there's something that I've always wanted to do. Skip through the flower fields! Come on! Whoa! I'm okay. That was so much fun! I wonder if there's an animal friend we can give our bouquet to. Let's go find one. Wowza! Farmer McKenna, I didn't know you were friends with a horse too.
I sure am.
And you are so cute and tiny. You must be a pony. Well, hello, pony friend. I have brought you a bouquet. Would you like to smell it? Smells so good, huh? Wow, your hair is so long and so pretty. A horse's hair is called its mane. If I were a horse, this would be my mane. Hey, do you think I could feed him?
Sure. Trade ya.
Okay. Ooh, all this yummy horse food. And,
Also make sure you
Okay.
keep your hand nice and flat.
oh, do you hear that? Nice and flat. And, whoa! Hey, that tickles. He must really like it. Do you want another one? Oh, he does. So yummy, huh? Wait a second. Do you hear that? Let's check it out. Following the duckies, the duckies, the duckies. Where are we going, duckies? We're going this way. I'm waddling like a duck. Waddle, 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 waddle. Duck, duck, goose. Quack, quack, quack. Thank you so much for joining me on this farm-tastic adventure. We got to feed baby goats. And then we danced with chickens. But most importantly, we learned about what farmers do, like picking flowers and feeding animals. Like these fuzzy ducks. Well, fuzzy ducks, do you have anything to say to my friends? Stop! You're quacking me up! Well, this has been Tenny. Stay friendly! Check it out. It's the subscribe button. Hit subscribe. Search for Hey Tenny on YouTube.